Good afternoon, students. How are you? I hope you all well. We discussed about formula, unit mass, molecular mass, and mole concept. Then writing chemical formula, what is an ion, molecules of compounds, molecules of elements, how the atoms exist, what is a molecule, law of constant proportions, law of conservation of mass, what is an atom, etc. Then our third chapter is atoms and molecules. An atom is the smallest constituent unit of ordinary matter that constitute a chemical element. A very solid liquid gas is composed of atoms. Two or more atoms of the same element or different element that are bound together to form a molecules. Then Anton and Lavoisier proposed two laws of chemical combination, law of conservation of mass and law of constant proportions. Today we are going to discuss the last part of this lesson, that is mole concept. Take an example of the reaction of hydrogen and oxygen to form water. 2H2 plus O2 gives 2H2O. From this reaction, what do you observe that two molecules of hydrogen combines with one molecule of oxygen to form two molecules of water. For atomic mass of hydrogen molecule combine with 32 atomic mass of oxygen molecules to form 36 atomic mass of water molecules. We can infer from the above equation that the quantity of a substance can be characterized by its mass or the number of molecule. But a chemical reaction equation indicates directly the number of atoms or molecules taking part in the reaction. Therefore, it is more convenient to refer to the quantity of a substance in terms of number of its molecules or atoms rather than their masses. So, a new unit mole was introduced. A mole of a substance is that amount of the substance which contains the same number of particles that are present in 12 gram of carbon 12 gram of carbon 12. Mole is the amount of substance that contains the same number of particles, which are exactly, there are atoms in exactly 12 gram of carbon 12. The mass of 1 mole of a substance is called its molar mass. Here first mole means the amount of substance which contain same number of particles. The next one definition, molar mass. What is molar mass? Mass of 1 mole of a substance is, what is mass? The quantity. The quantity of a 1 mole of a substance is called its molar mass. Then the number of particles present in 12 gram of carbon 12 is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. The number of particles present in 12 gram of carbon 12 is, which is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23, which means 1 mole which is equal to, the mole is which is compared to the 12 gram of carbon 12. So 1 mole is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. This number is called Avogadro number. Avogadro number. Don't forget, please keep it in your mind. 1 mole is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. What is molar mass? The mass of a 1 mole 1 mole of a substance is called molar mass. Then a mole represents two things. It represents a definite number of particles, which is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. First, the mole represents a definite number of particles. That particles are equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. It represents a definite mass of substance, which is equal to the gram atomic mass of an element or gram molecular mass of a compound. What is gram atomic mass of an element? It is atomic mass expressed in grams. Example of gram atomic mass of an element. Gram atomic mass of oxygen. Oxygen, what is the chemical formula? O2. Gram atomic mass means O2, 2 oxygen is there. What is the value of atomic mass of oxygen? Atomic mass of oxygen is 16. 1 oxygen is 16. So the chemical formula of oxygen is O2. Gram atomic mass of an oxygen 16 into 2. Here 2 oxygen is there. For 1 16. Here 2 oxygen is there. So 16 into 2 equal to 32 gram. The next one, gram molecular mass of a compound. Its molecular mass expressed in grams. Gram molecular mass of water equal to, what is the chemical formula? Water, H2O. The atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. How many hydrogen is there? 2. So 1 into 2 plus how many oxygen? Only 1 plus 16. So 2 plus 16 is equal to 18 gram. Next, relationship between number of moles, mass, molar mass, number of atoms and Avogadro number. In the bracket I give some symbols. The number of mole, small letter n. Mass, small letter m. Molar mass, capital M. Number of atoms or molecules, n. And Avogadro number, n0. So what is the relationship between the number of moles, mass, molar mass, number of atoms and molecule? N is equal to, what is n? Number of moles is equal to mass by molar mass. Mass by molar mass. Again, n is equal to number of mole is equal to number of atoms or molecules by Avogadro number. Next, for finding mass, mass equal to number of moles into number of atoms or molecules. Then molar mass equal to mass divided by number of moles. Mass divided by number of moles.